Hey, what's going on, YouTube? This is Jay, back with Jay Auto Builds. Bringing to you guys today the 03, actually it's 06. And you buy so many cars, you never know. It's a 2006 Chrysler Sebring. It's dirty, as you can tell. Well, I'll show you when I turn around and show you the car. As you can tell, it's dirty. Needs a wash. Straight from COPART. It has the COPART paper on it or whatever, the tape from when something is wrong with the vehicle. $375, man. That was the winning bid. $375. They said it run and drive. So run and drive actually means it goes forward and back. That's it. Like, it's lot driven basically. If they can put it in drive, it go forward. Put it in reverse, it go back. That's run and drive to COPART. So it's up to you to check out the vehicle and make sure that it actually run and drive to the best of your knowledge. There's ways that you can test the transmission, but we'll get into that in a later video. But as of right now, I'm about to show you guys the car. Okay, guys, go from there. Here's the 2006 Chrysler Sebring. It's not perfect, but hey, for $375, get back so you guys can see it. $375. I took the sticker off the windshield where the COPART sticker goes, and I gotta hit it with a razor blade. But as you see, I gotta wash the car anyway, so like I said, it's not perfect. I'll get into more details. It's not perfect at all. Got good tires all around. See that? The top faded. I don't care. I can fix the top. I can paint it black, but am I going to do that? Probably not. $375. Headlights are, they seen better days, but hey, do I care? No, I do not. Am I going to fix it? Probably so. Because believe it or not, clean headlights help sell cars. Show y'all the back seat. It's pretty clean on the inside. It's pretty clean on the inside, guys. Power seats. 70 miles it has. It has 129,000 miles, guys. Turn the AC down. The AC does blow. Nice and cold. Dashboard isn't cracked. Oh, that is irking my nerves. I'm gonna have to take the razor blade, take that off. That is irking my nerves, man. But no check engine light. Idling fine. It's not overheating, even though I didn't drive it far from where I am now from my house. But I just came here. It seemed like a better location than, my place. It's shaded where I'm at, and it's currently about 102 degrees right now, so I prefer to be in the shade. But like I said, yeah, man, it's pretty freaking clean, man. I'm gonna tell you this. I bought this car sight unseen. If you don't know what sight unseen is, that is basically you bid on a car without seeing it. So I brought this car sight unseen. And when I'm buying from like COPART, you basically I basically do a lot of buying sight unseen, especially now with what's going on in the world. So it's more of a, let me get out the way of this, man. It's more of a gamble when I'm buying sight unseen. Yes, I can go to dual auctions. I do have dual access. I am a dealer agent / dealer. So I can go to dual auctions. And certain auctions let you test drive, not all. So I can go to dual auctions and test drive the cars before I buy them. But sometimes I like to gamble. I like to buy the car sight unseen just to see what I got, you know. And if I get a bad car, I either fix it and, you know, sell it that way, or I just cut my losses. If it's too far gone, I cut my losses and going on to the next. But I'm about to show you guys the freaking motor. The motor is a 2.7, I believe. The motor is a 2.7. Technically, I don't buy cars at 2.7s, but $375, man. I wasn't gonna pass it up. But let me show you guys the motor, man. That's it. Let me cut this up. Cut the engine off for you guys. That fan is pretty loud. So, like I said, it's a 2.7 V6. Engine looks pretty clean. Like I said, when I bought this car, I was just going off of the pictures. So basically, like I said, I bought this car sight unseen, and I was just going off the pictures. But like I said, at $375, I couldn't bag off of it. And technically, I won the car for like $225, but me and the seller was going back and forth. He or whoever countered offered, and we just kept going back up and forth. He counter offered at $600. I counter offered at like $250 or either $300. He came down $50. I went up another $25. They came down $25. I went up to $375, and basically I told them that was the last. I wasn't going to higher than $375. They accepted it. I think if I would have stopped sooner, I could have got it cheaper. But by me kept going up, hey, it is what it is. I'm not complaining. Now, COPART fees are kind of high compared to other auctions that I've been to. So, like, COPART fees are higher than other auctions that I have been to. So at the $375 bid, it came out to like $560 something. It was like $560, and then of course when you pay in the like with a money order or you know things of that nature, you get like a $20 discount or something like that. So it was $20 cheaper than that. So I got it for like it was like $534 or something like that. I can't remember exact, but it was cheap. So yeah, man, let me know what you guys would have done. Would you guys would have close this? Like, would you guys would have bought this car for $375, or would you guys would have passed on it? Now I am going to tell you. Let me show you. This back window is leaking. Now this is the tape I was talking about that COPART pits on their cars. All right, get back there and back and clean out. So COPART put this on here because it was, of course, going to be raining in the car. So I'll probably make another video on how I'm gonna fix this window temporarily, just enough to get the vehicle sold, basically. So I'm gonna be removing this tape, and I'm going to temporarily fix this window just enough to sell the vehicle. What else? It does need a rear hub bearing. This tire right here does need a rear hub bearing. Matter of fact, guys, let's go for a test drive. Let's just go for a test drive. Start it on up. We're gonna start it on up. Man, this car is nice for $375, man. Like, you couldn't beat it for $375, man. You couldn't beat that. Like I said, I could have got it cheaper, but I wasn't going to keep going back and forth with the. I mean, I wanted to get it cheaper, but I was like, forget it. But I already had a number. I already had a number in my head. 375 was my top number, so I was like, forget it, man. But you see traffic coming. I'm gonna show you guys that the trans does shift good. First shift. Trans does shift. Like I said, it could use a rear hub bearing. The back driver's side wheel, it's either going to be the hub or the wheel. I haven't got into it yet, but it's like a little shake back there, right? But the funny thing is, I took it to have the air pressure checked on the tires, and lo and behold, that tire was freaking low. So I'm thinking that tire has a bad, broken belt in it, or the tire's back completely, because even Discount Tire said that the tire, like, it might have had a little bubble in it, whatever, basically when the belt breaks. So, oh, the window's down. So basically that's what I'm thinking it is. And it drives straight. It drives straight down the road, man. Like I said, you got a little shake in it. Nothing I'm gonna complain about. Nothing too bad. But for what we're going to sell this car for, guys, what can you complain about? Like, the seller cannot complain about too much on this car. Like I said, we rolling, guys. Look at it. We rolling. We rolling, guys. Look at it. We rolling. Like I said, yeah, the windshield a little dirty. But come on, guys. We rolling, man. So, what can you complain about? $375, man, for a running and driving car, an actual running and driving car. Hey, man, you can't complain. Actually, my freaking door is open, I think. But man, I'm satisfied, man. You don't get too many cars from COPART that cheap, that's running and driving, and you have to do little to no work. That's the key, trying to get them to little to no work, guys. But basically, this is what the channel is going to be about. Me buying cars from the auctions, buying them, fixing them, and letting them go. I'm gonna show you guys the whole process. Now, I do buy cars that's been hit, not too bad, but I do buy cars that's been hit. So I will be buying those, showing you guys that process. Me, buying them, putting the fender on them, hood, fender, door, whatever it needs. I usually don't do the frame damage because right now I don't have the, the access, to the tools needed, frame machine and all that good stuff to buy those type of cars right now. But I am going to be just buying stuff that really needs to little work, man. Where we at? So like I said, guys, this thing rolls, man. This thing is rolling. So yeah, guys, man, if you can, just first hit that subscribe button. Matter of fact, man, hit that subscribe button so y'all can see more videos on how you can make extra money doing this as well, for like a side gig, man. Like, just hit the subscribe button, because I got a lot coming for you guys, man. I got a lot coming. I've been buying and selling cars for years, man. Years. I've been doing it for a while. I started when I was young, and I know a lot. I have a lot of information in my head that that I go about when buying a car, selling a car, how to look for cars. I buy off Craigslist, I buy off OfferUp, Facebook. I buy everywhere like everyone else does. So basically, I'm going to be showing you guys, you know, how I go about looking to buy cars and selling them. You know, so I know a lot of people out there want to know how you buy them, how you sell them. You know, how can they make the extra money? So that's what I'm going to be showing you guys on my YouTube channel. So please, like I said, subscribe for one, like, comment, share, do it all for me. Give me feedback, negative, positive, it don't matter. All feedback is good feedback to me, because it don't do nothing but, you know, let you know where you got to improve at, and you know how to go about it. So once again, guys, thanks for tuning in to the channel, and I'll show you guys more on this good sebring here in the near future on how I'm gonna fix the little problems that's wrong with it, cheap as possible, so you can maximize your profit. That's the key, man. Maximizing your profit in this game. You want to maximize your profit, man. I like doing quick flips though, so I don't sit on cars for months. And that's for another topic, man. We're gonna talk about that in another video. Like I said, I got a lot of information I can give you guys to help you guys start your own dealership, make money easy. It's easy making money in this business, man. Everybody want to make money. It's easy making money in this business. Easy. But all right, guys, man, I'm about to start the video now. I'll see you guys soon, man. Thanks a lot.